Here's a cord and here is a cylindrical object. How to tie this one around that one. Make it straight, like so, and put your hands one on top of the other and rotate that cord to the left. Rotate it. Now we have an S shape. Rotate it even more on top of them, and now we have a plus shape or cross, something like that. Now grab the center of this one and lift it up, and we have two circular shapes, and that's it. Just introduce your object there into the circle and pull the string, the cord, and the object can be lifted. To take it apart, just pull the ends. Push out the object and it is opening without a nut. So once again, cross your hands, rotate to the left, S and then a plus, grab the center, make it a little bit wider, introduce the object and push it to the outside and lift it up. To remove it, loosen it, take it out, and it is free once again.